Hey David, hey Connie. Just a quick little Tuesday construction update. Making great progress here. The outside has been stucco textured. We're getting drywall in on the inside. Just making really good progress compared to the video I sent you last week. So drywall should be done here end of this week. Keep on rolling from there. So there's a beautiful view from the backyard. So quick little Tuesday update. I hope you guys are doing well. Any questions, as always, let me know. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks a lot.